If you want to change your search settings in X, so blocked and muted accounts are included in search results, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want to see more complete search results while using X, formerly Twitter. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. First, on the left navigation bar, click More. This opens the full menu with additional account and privacy options. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control how your X account behaves and what content you see on the platform. From there, click Privacy and Safety. This section includes controls for your timeline, content preferences, and search visibility. Now click contentsyousee. This is where X lets you manage what appears in your experience across the app. After that, click Search Settings. Here, you'll find the option that controls whether blocked and muted accounts are removed from search results. All you need to do is toggle off Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. Once this is turned off, blocked and muted accounts can appear in search results again. That's it. The change is now saved, and your search results will reflect this new setting. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide.